Is it videoing?
Pressed it once.
There's red light flashing.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, I'm back. Not much has been done on red, the Capri, because I've had red the mondog in for MOT. Well, it hasn't been, but we've looked at last year's and it said there was a lot of rust on back end. So we've decided to do it, but I bought another car, so we're going to get 12 months on red, and some lucky person's going to end up buying it. I'll show you in a minute what's going off. We've started descaling all the back end, took the tow bar off. We're going to cool rust, we've done a bit of welding, and it's going to be sprayed under primer. So yeah, we'll see you in a minute. I'll show you underneath the car. So overall, once we've painted it, it should be good. But you can see where the worst part was once we started descaling in that cubby hole and later around there. So there's a bit more to do, so we're going to carry on and we'll show you when it's done. See you in a bit. Yep, that's about the top and bottom of it. So we've got a lot of cool rust in, painting to do, and we've got the team on it with the grandson John and the son, the bodywork man. Then red bumper was looking a bit tatty and spoilt the car, so he's on the case, and we're all looking good. So yeah. Right, we'll see in a bit. There we are. That's all cool rusted and done now. It looks a million times better than it did when it was all scaly and thingy. That's it, isn't it? That's the next stage is primer. Giving it some primer. Yeah, see in a bit. There we are, it's been zinc primed to all the spots where it's singing. The last one has just started putting amorite, covering it with amorite, so it'll be pretty well sealed for the future.
Why do you need a picture inside? You've not done it.
That's tow bar back on. There's been a few problems with bumper, as you can see. It's nearly ready. Little scratches I want to get rid of, but our Andrew was doing it. The son is a perfectionist. He strives for perfection, so that will be on a few days. The exhaust back on, tow bar on, yep, all looking good really, all good stuff at MOT. So yeah, we'll carry this on again. I'll see you in a bit.
We'll try a little blending good.
Yeah,
We'll try this foot lacquer. letting off. It's wheel covered.
Yeah.
We'll do it other side. As long as it can't come off.
Lifting off.
We don't red wheel. Oh. Yeah, try it. You play that from tomorrow. This black appeal's got me sanded now. You know what I mean? That can go back in bag now. Can reuse them quite a lot.
2 seconds. Put on there. Put on there. There, ain't right?
Yeah, shit.
Oh, right.
Fucking masking tape, put it back. And that's how the trouble is, you know, if you had a new number plate, it'd be like you take a nice shiny clean number plate and not want to sell it.